Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths channel. So we are going to do paper 1 of April 2017. This is paper of Cambridge Secondary 1. So in the first video we have done questions 1 to 12. So in this video we will cover the remaining questions. So let's start with the question number 13. So we have here question number 13. 360 can be written as these factors that you are given, in where x and y are positive integers, work out the value of x and y. So because we are splitting up 360, so we can just make the factors of that. So we should take only here the what we call the numbers which are not divisible, that is the prime number. So 180, 360 divided by 2 is 180, 2 times 980, again 2, it is 45, then by 3 it is 15. I'm just dividing them, right, the numbers. So what we have got, we got here 360 is 2, it is 1 2 3, 2 power 3, and 3 is coming twice, and 5. Now the question says this can be written as, so 360 can be written as, also written as 2 power x, 3 power y, and 5 power 1. So now if you compare these two, comparing these two, you will see that x is equal to 3, right? So our answer is 3 for x and y is 2. So that's it. You see the question looks complicated, but it's not actually. So just go step by step, you will find the final answer, right? Number 14. Chen throws two-sided dice. He records the difference. He records the difference between the two scores. Complete the table showing the possible values. So we have first dice this side and second dice this side. So table is this way. So he recorded the difference. So like see, you have 1 and 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3 minus we have here 3 minus, it is going to be 1 in this column. 3 minus 1, it is 2, then 4 minus 1, it is 3, and 5 minus 1, it will be 4, right? Now this column, so 4 minus 2, it is 2, 5 minus 2, 3, and 6 minus 2, it is 4. Now for this column, so we have here 3, 5 minus 3, it is 2, 6 minus 3, it is 3, right? And lastly we have here 4, here we have 6, 6 minus 4, it is 2. So that's it. This is how you can complete this table. Question 15. Write the missing numbers in each box. So let's see what is missing. So this is 0.25, right? Times 10 power 3, it is 1000. So what will this become? This is 25,000. So we have 2 decimal places, put 2 decimal places, then we can remove zeros. So our final answer is 250, right? Now here, so we don't know what number is this. So that means something, let's say this is x divided by 10 power 1, negative 1 can be written as 1 over 10. Okay, so now we have here x times 10. So we can take reverse of this, reciprocal of this. So x times 10. So this is equal to 25 as it is given from here. So x will be 25 over 10. So this 10 goes that way. So it is 2.5. So final answer will be 2.5 here, right? Now question number 16. Apples cost $1.85 per kilogram. Work out the cost of 1.6 kilograms of apple. So we can just divide it. So let me see, cost of per kilogram 1.6 grams. So it's just multiplication. So cost of 1 kilogram of apples is 1.85, and cost of 1.6 kilograms will be 1.85 times 1.6. So let's multiply. So remove first, don't just ignore the decimals, just we will do normal multiplication. It's 185 times 16. 6 times 5 it is 30, so 3 is here. In 6 times 8, 48 plus 3, 51, 5 goes here, 6 times 6 plus 1, 5, 11, and then we have 185 here, right? So we have this answer 2960. So we have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So our decimal will go here. So final answer is 2.960. Right. Question number 17. The coordinates of point A are this and coordinates of point B are this. Find the midpoint. So I can just draw a rough diagram. This is A, which is 1 and 2, and this is B, which is -3 and 4, and we are looking for the midpoint. Let's say this is M. So it is the middle value. So what will be M? M will be x1 plus x2, that is 1 plus -3. This one over 2, and second coordinates 2 plus 4 over 2. So this is -2 over 2, and this is 6 over 2. So answer is -1 and 3. So -1 and 3. So that's question number 17. So let's move to next question. Number 18. Write the missing numbers in the box. Okay, so let's see what numbers will come here. So we have 2 over 3 divided by something, and we have the answer, and then we have again let's see. So we can just multiply this to get this first. 4 times 2 it is 8, 3 times 2 this is 8, and this is 3 times 3 it is 9, right? So let's see this one, 2 by 3 divided by. So you can see it is 2 by, it's the same thing, it will come from here, 2 over 3 times 4 over 3. So we have this one. So 2 over 3, we get the same answer, so it will become here. Let me just solve this one. So you have, so let's see, okay, let's do another way. So we have 2 over 3 divided by something, let that something is x, and this is equal to 8 over 9, right? So this is 8 over 9. So then we have, this is x over 1, 2 over 3 times 1 over x equals to 8 over 9, right? So this is gonna be, just cross multiply. This is 2 over 3 x equals to 8 over 9. So then this, when you cross multiply, it is 3x times 8 equals to 9 times 2. Divide by 8, divide by 8. So this is gone. So 2 times 4. So we have 9 over 4, right? So 3x equals to 9 over 4. So divide by 3 again, divide by 3 again. So it will be multiply here. So it is 3 over 4. So final answer will be 3 over 4. Right? Or you can see simply we have this one 2 over 3. You bring this side here, it will become 3 over 4. Now question number 19. A quadrilateral is shown on the grid. You can see this quadrilateral here. Enlarge the quadrilateral by scale factor of 3 with center 10 and 4. First we see where is the center. Center is 10, x 10, y 4. So this is the center. So this is our center. So we are gonna enlarge by scale factor of 3. So if we have these 2 units here, so first we need to draw the lines from for the scale factor here from the center. So it's going to be like this, and another side we will have something like this. And now this corner, you can choose this corner. It is going to be like this, and the final we have this one. Right, now we need it by scale factor of 2, so we see where this is gonna fit these ones. If this is for 2, so this side I'm starting from here, this is 2 times scale factor is 3, should be 6. So where we are getting 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here it is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is going to be at point here. So it is should be, yeah, like here 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah. So we will have shape here 6 here, this side it is 1, so here we will have now 2, it will go up to this one, right? Then this is 2, so it's gonna be 4, so 1 2 3 4, so it should be here, and then you just join this one. Okay, so this is how you're going to get the shape after the enlargement. So I have just made this line bit, it should come actually here, so that's how it should work. Actually it should touch this point, so I made a bit, you know, error here doing this, right? So this is how you can finish this one. Question number 20. Draw a line that match each equal values. So this can be written as 1 over 5, and 1 over 5 is 0.2. So this will go with 0.2, and this is 1 over 5 squared, which is 1 over 25. 1 over 25, it should be is 4%, yeah, it's percentage, so it should be 4% here. So this is gonna be 1 over 2 power 8, 1 over 2 power 8, it is 2 times 2, sorry, this is not 2 power 3, which is 1 over 8. So when you divide 1 by 8, this is going to be 0.818 8 times 2 16, 408 times 5, so 1.25. so this is gonna match with this one, this goes here. So this is now you see 1 over 3 squared, which is 9, so here, and this is the last one, you can directly match that one. Now question number 21. Aiko needs 20 liters of paint. She mixes her paint using paint powder and water. Paint powder and water, there are two things. She uses the mixing instructions. To make 200 ml of paint, she mixes like 40 grams of paint powder and 120 ml of water. The paint powder comes in packet of 0.6. Work out how many packets of powder Aiko needs. First we need to know the amount of the paint powder needed. So now you can see to paint, and then we need paint powder, right? Paint powder. So paint, to make 200 ml of paint, paint powder is needed 40 grams, right? So for 20 liters can be converted into milliliters, right? Times 1000, so it is 20,000 milliliters. So for 20,000 milliliters, how much paint powder is needed? So just cross multiply. So we will have here x times 200 equals to 20,000 times 40, right? So divide by 200, divide by 200. So this is gone, so these two zeros are gone, so it is 100. So it needs 4,000 grams of paint powder. So right, so this is paint powder. Now the packet is available in this. So this can be converted into the grams. So it will be 600 grams. So how many packets are needed? So number of packets needed is 4000 divided by 600. So it is 2 times 2, 30. So it is 20 over 3. 3 times 6, 6.66. So he needs approximately 6 plus 1. So it is 7 number of packets. So final answer will be 7. Right. Now question number 22. So here are two rectangles. You can see rectangle A and B. Give a description of the reflection. So from A to B. So from A to B, you can see if this is the mirror line here, because it is reflecting this way. So this is going to be the mirror line. So this is the line y equals to x. The diagonal line is y equals to x and going upwards. So we can say this is reflection in the line. This is reflection in the line y equals to x, right? Now give the description of rotation from A to B. You can see this is rotated from this, say from here to here, this is 90 degrees and it is clockwise. So it's very simple. So we can write down it is 90 degree clockwise at the point. We need to look for the point of rotation. So for the point of rotation you need to use what is this, tracing paper, right? So I can draw this line here. If this is the center, if I rotate here this way, so I'm not getting it, so I can go down here. Let's say this is the center. So if you move here, you can see. So the center is this point. What is this point? Let's see. This point is 3 and 3. So along the center, you can say center is 3 and 3. So center is 3, 3, 3. Okay, so question number 23. Put a ring around the calculation that have an answer greater than 42. So greater than 42, here we are multiplying it by a smaller number, so it will be smaller. So here you see this is 42 divided by 0.18. That means 42 times it will be 100 of 18. So this one answer will be greater. You need not to do actual calculations. So this one 42 times 311, we are multiplying by smaller number, so it will be smaller. Here we are multiplying it by 8 over 5, which is greater than 1. So this will be answer which is greater than 42. Right? So don't do the actual calculation, just use the logics. Now question number 24. Here is the multiplication grid. We need to multiply. So 4 times 12, it is 48. Yeah. So one decimal place, here one decimal place. So we got here 1. So that means to get it 1, it should be like 4 times 1 over 4. Then you will get this. So 1 over 4 is 0.25. So it will be 0.25. We are writing decimals because we have decimals here. So now we have here 3. So that means to say what times 25 give you here 3. So we can divide this one here, 25 by so I mean see, it is x times 0.25, it gives you 0.3. So x will be 0.3 divided by 0.25. So this is 3 over 10 and this will be 25 over 100. So 3 over 10 times 100 over 25. So 4 times 8 is 12. over 10. 12 over 10 is 1.2. So we will have here 1.2. So 12 times 12 is 144, and 2 decimal places, 1 here and 1 here, 1.44. So that's it for this. So I think this is the last question. Yeah, so this is the last question of this paper. So I hope you guys understood this. So let me know if there is anything, and please, if you like the video, press the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, guys. Next video is coming soon. Thank you so much. God bless you.